Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a task in ClickUp. So first of all, open up the ClickUp app. Now once you're at the home page, click on create at the bottom right here, click on it, and in here click on new task. Now in here you will have to name that task. I will go for a walk. Now after that you will have to add an assignee. I will go for myself, just click on it and select the assignee, and after that set a due date. I will go for, let's say, tomorrow, click on done. You can also add some attachments to the task by just clicking on this button right here, and in here selecting a picture or a video that you want to add. And after that you would have to select a list in which you want to add the task in. Click on it, select the space, and after that select the list, and after that click on create. And after that the task would be created. So that is how you can create a task in ClickUp.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create tasks in ClickUp. Now once you're at the home page of ClickUp, click on the space that you want to create a task in. I would go for, let's say, my space, just click on it. Now here I am in my space. Now in order to add a task, go to the list right here. And in here you can create a new list if you want to. I already have a list, so I'm just going to add a task. Now to add a task, click on this add task button in the top right. Now in here name that task. I will go for my task. You can select the location of the task by just clicking here and selecting the place where you want to add it to. And after that, you can add a description as well. You can select a due date by clicking on this button right here. And after that, selecting a due date, I'll go for, let's say, 12. And after that, just click anywhere and the due date will be set. And after that, click on create task and that task would be added. So that is how you can create a task in ClickUp.